Mark and Sophie were busy parents of 3 young children, juggling demanding careers and family life. Although exhausted at times, they felt very fortunate to have each other as parents and to be raising their kids together. To show their appreciation for each other, every year on June 1st, Global Day of Parents, Mark would surprise Sophie with breakfast in bed, while she would give him a card expressing her thanks for being a wonderful father and role model to their children. Global Day of Parents was proclaimed by the UN General Assembly in 2012 to highlight the importance of parents and recognize their selfless commitment to children worldwide. Parents are the primary caregivers for most children, providing their love, nurturing education and values to become compassionate and responsible citizens. However, many parents lack support systems and resources, struggling with challenges like poverty, health issues, and work-life balance. The Day of Parents aims to address these issues and advance the well-being of parents for the benefit of their children and society. Many countries and organizations recognize this important day with various events and campaigns. Towns put out billboards praising the role of parents. Schools host special assemblies, concerts, or lunches to honor parents. Charities conduct fundraising drives to support programs that assist disadvantaged parents. Wellness companies provide free parenting workshops and products. And of course, many children surprise their parents with homemade cards, gifts, hugs, and quality time together as a family. While every day should be an occasion to appreciate parents, Global Day of Parents is an opportunity for communities worldwide to come together to acknowledge the dedication of parents and advocate for their needs. Parents are the driving force behind human progress, raising and shaping future leaders in all spheres of society. But for children, they are simply the loving heroes that make the world a better place every single day. On this Day of Parents, celebrate your parents or the parents in your life. Say thank you. It will be the greatest gift you can give. June 1st is Global Day of Parents. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful Global Day of Parents. Cheers!